Planning a perfect staycation. Let's get started.
Hi Nick. You're just back to work today. How's your holiday?
Wow. It's so much fun and relaxing. I enjoyed a lot, having staycation with my family during holiday.
I've seen your posts at the social media platform, and your schedule was so full. You stayed at Happy Hotel for enjoying your holiday, right?
Yes. It's awesome and refreshing. The room was great, and the package of the hotel was fantastic with wide choices of programs, which suit my family needs. I joined different activities each day.
It's so attractive to me. Your kids are lovely. You attended a course of making cupcake with the kids. Did they like it?
They loved it very much. It's so interesting for them to learn and follow each of the steps by mixing different ingredients. It was new to them, and finally they enjoyed the delicious cake.
Your photos were very nice, and you all looked joyful and energetic.
Thank you. I was also surprised by the hotel, which provided personalized gifts with warm and touching message to my family.
How's that? I'm very excited with your trip.
During arranging booking with the hotel, I highlighted with the hotel staff that the purpose of the trip was to celebrate my 10th anniversary with my wife. During the check-in at the lobby, we were told that our room was upgraded to a premium suite. We were so glad, and this was the first surprise to us. When we went into the hotel room, it was so unbelievable to me that the room was decorated with the theme of anniversary. The window, table, and bed were covered with sweet heart flowers and blessing of anniversary. There was a special card showing my wedding photos 10 years ago, and it showcased our true love story. Time flies. I had my wedding party 10 years ago at the same hotel, and the hotel consolidated those meaningful pictures into a remarkable and unique gift. It's such an important and memorable moment to us. My wife and me were so shocked and impressed by their preparation.
It's so touching, and the hotel demonstrated the best practice of personalization.
The hotel presented an anniversary cake in the room, and we were extremely happy that they had tailor-made this special arrangement for us. My kids were crazy with the cake and balloons inside the room. Most importantly, the whole package was very reasonable. It's an unforgettable memory for my family.
The arrangement was really considerate and attentive.
I can't wait for another trip at the same hotel. By the way, are you planning to have vacation?
Yes. It's now close to the year end, and I would like to take a short trip 1 month later. However, I've no idea of how and where I should relax and unwind during the holiday.
If you do not want to travel abroad, you can consider staying at a local hotel for taking short breaks. There is no struggling about jet lag or lack of sleep, because you can be recovered shortly.
The objective of my leave is very simple. I would like to take a break and experience a new environment, whereas relieving my stress at work. I hope recharging and refreshing, without the needs of going far away from my home.
It's achievable, because exploring your own city can even bring you so much amusement. People usually overlook some of the local attractions or special historical venue. Domestic travel is a more viable option nowadays.
I'm now searching for different packages. I've not joined any staycation before. It's a good idea, because I can save both money and time.
It's true that you've much time to relax, rather than traveling outside. You will not feel so exhausting from the flight and different destinations. If you're now busy, you need not worry that you do not have sufficient time to plan for the schedule. As soon as you select the preferred theme and offer from the hotel, you can spend much time with your family, especially when traveling with your children. Most of the items were well planned by the hotel. That's so simple, and you can have an awesome holiday with your family.
Be honest. Planning a schedule is sometimes stressful, because I feel frustrated and upset with tiny detail when going wrong.
You're right. As I've a tight budget, it can be much manageable for having staycation, rather than traditional vacation. It can save different travel expenses, including airline tickets, car rental, and food. You can simply pack your bags and book accommodations in your selected hotel. For me, if less planning is required, my time can be better utilized.
Another benefit of considering staycation is that the booking will also not be affected by the bad weather, because most of the activities are held indoor. Hence, I can be rest assured to have much control of the leave. I even do not mind staying at the room to enjoy my favorite movies and shows, or play the electronic games.
Fully agreed. The unreliability of weather can turn the vacation into a nightmare. You know, I even took my pet together during staycation. The hotel provided a nice, comfortable, and safe area for my dog to play and rest. I need not worry about finding a trusted help to take care of my dog.
Fantastic. There are so many benefits, and I think I should go for staycation this time.
There was another surprise to me during the trip. I discovered a nice and beautiful place nearby that I did not imagine before. At the southern part of the hotel, there was a gorgeous park with charming mountain view. We were deeply impressed by the sunset scenery. It was out of my expectation to enjoy such fascinating view with my family.
You got so much bonus at your trip. It must be an unforgettable holiday.
It's definitely yes. Meanwhile, I can share with you my tips in selecting staycation package.
Yeah. I'm planning to have vacation 1 month later. It can be a 5-day trip.
It depends on your objective, whether you would like to have a luxurious break, a lay-back selection with different facilities, or a simple rest, without any special requirement. For exclusive vacation packages, at some luxury hotels, you can experience the true expression of uniquely affluent accommodations and cuisine. For example, some luxury hotels located at the heart of city, and their rooms are usually offered with panoramic views of the city, or the beautiful mountain views. You can soak into the oversized bathtub and top-of-the-line equipment at the fitness center. Personal trainers can help you keeping good looking and feeling the best after going back to normal working. You can rest and reset by enjoying swimming in the infinity pool and getting some rejuvenating wellness treatment. If you would like to select package with special theme, there are plenty of choices. Some hotels offer seasonal, themed, and kid-centric holiday packages. For example, during Halloween or Christmas holiday, the rooms are refurbished to welcome family members, and different themed activities or workshops are tailor-made design for kids and parents. The kids would adore such multiple themed rooms, for example, princesses, circus, dinosaur, and car. It's no surprise that there are amazing and funny adventures for the kids at the playroom, or through some creative activities and entertainment. The adults can also relax and spend quality time with the kids, with the serving of family-friendly food based on the hotel's favorites. The thrilling moment would be enriched with themed gifts for the kids.
The packages are marvelous. It's so convenient to get out of the daily life without having to leave the city. It can give me a meaningful time with my family.
Right. Some hotels offer skincare, yoga, and detox-focused packages, whereas you can also get professional and comfortable treatment as a staycation getaway. To stay, dine, and indulge in the holiday, it can keep you energized by staying in serene and spacious surroundings. In addition, some hotels are renowned for the amazing food and world-class restaurants. They offer gourmet getaway, mainly focusing on Michelin-starred restaurants, where breakfast, afternoon tea, and dinner were included. It's especially good for food lovers, who can enjoy many different flavors at some distinctive restaurants.
Great. I'm more interested to enjoy the stay at the hotel in the theme park.
It's also a great idea. At the theme park, the kids can experience all the rides and attractions. There are character-themed restaurants, with character food items, and character amenities, with famous mascots. Your kids must also be insane by staying at character-themed room, with special interiors. By joining different workshops, your kids can also use their creativity to customize their own character and create some souvenirs with memorial value.
It's no doubt that my kids would opt for this package.
Depending on your budget, it would be better to select the theme for your staycation. You may go for healthy, relaxing, or indulgent way of traveling. No matter of the way you select, please try to spend time outside and carve out some time in nature. It would be good for your mental and physical health. You can select one day and go for a challenging approach with your kids. For example, camping. It would recreate new experience by getting closer to the nature through staying at a tent, having barbecue in the night, or renting a canoe for sightseeing.
Well, it's really sensational.
Another suggestion is that you can define the theme each day, and your kids will have fun for doing different activities. For example, you can state a workout day for Monday, a movie or game day for Tuesday, a travel day for Wednesday, and etc. It would be so entertaining, and your vigorous kids must feel the excitement throughout the journey.
That's a very good idea, and I'll take your points and go for searching.
Have fun and enjoy your leave by making the most of our own hometowns. It's flexible to arrange, and we can still rest and recharge easily.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your advice.